Chapter 2: Food and its Digestion. You must have experienced that you start feeling hungry if you do not eat food for a long time. Sometimes you also feel weak and tired. Remember, food is essential for the body because it gives us energy, helps us to grow, protects our body from diseases, and keeps us healthy. Very often, children who do not eat adequate food fall sick. The food you eat contains useful substances called nutrients. Your body requires different nutrients for doing different things. Life skills. It is not a good habit to eat only one type of food, as it will not give your body everything it needs to grow, work, play, and fight diseases. Nutrients. Proteins to grow. Proteins are nutrients that help to build new cells in your body and repair damaged parts of your body. They help you to grow and are also called bodybuilding nutrients. Milk, cheese, eggs, meat, pulses, and fish are rich sources of protein. Carbohydrates for energy. Sugars and starches are carbohydrates. They provide you energy to work, play, study, etc. A person who does a lot of physical labor also needs more carbohydrates. Potato, banana, bread, rice. Fats for energy and warmth. Fats are nutrients that also provide you with energy. Indeed, they provide you with twice the amount of energy of carbohydrates. Fats are stored in the body for future use. The energy stored in them is used when the body does not get enough food to eat. Fats also help to keep the body warm. Oil, nuts, butter, and cheese are rich sources of fats. Carbohydrates and fats are called energy-giving nutrients. Vitamins and minerals for good health. Vitamins and minerals are nutrients your body requires only in small amounts, yet they are essential as they help your body to work properly and fight diseases. They are also called protective nutrients. Fresh fruits, vegetables, fish, eggs, and milk are rich in vitamins and also contain several minerals. Calcium is an essential mineral to form healthy bones and teeth. Iron is another essential mineral needed for making blood. Water and roughage must be included in your daily diet for the proper functioning of your body. Roughage. Roughage is the fiber of the food that you eat but your body cannot digest it. It has no nutritive value but is very important as it helps in the removal of waste materials, undigested food from your body. Fresh fruits, whole grains, vegetables, and salads contain a lot of fiber. Water. Almost 2/3 of your body is made of water. Water is essential for all living things to stay alive. Your body requires water because blood and muscles contain water. Water is essential for digesting food. Water helps in the removal of waste from the body. Water helps to maintain the body temperature. Factopedia. Your body requires 3 liters of water daily. 1 liter comes from the food and drink you have. For the remaining 2 liters, drink 8 glasses of water daily. Balanced diet. A diet that contains the right amount of all the nutrients along with adequate quantities of roughage and water is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet should contain food items from each of the following groups. Protein group: meat, beans, nuts, eggs, fish, etc. Milk group: milk, curd, cheese, ice cream, etc. Vegetable and fruit group: fresh fruits and vegetables, for example, tomato, carrot, brinjal, apple, banana, orange, etc. Cereal group: rice, chapati, bread, etc. Cooking food: some foods like carrots, tomato, lettuce, fruits, etc. can be eaten raw. Always wash them well before eating them to remove dust and germs. Some foods like cereals, pulses, meat, vegetables, ladyfinger, brinjal, etc. need to be cooked before eating. Cooking food makes it soft, tasty, and easy to digest. Keep the following in mind while cooking food. Food should not be overcooked as the nutrients will be destroyed. Wash vegetables and fruits before cutting them. Washing them after cutting removes many nutrients. Food should be cooked with just enough water. Cooking in too much water and then throwing away the water takes away nutrients with the water. The water in which pulses are soaked should not be thrown away, as the nutrients are also lost along with the water. Preserving food. Food gets spoilt when germs start growing on it. Germs require air, water, and warmth to grow. Storing food in different ways to prevent it from getting spoilt is called food preservation. Food can be preserved in a number of ways. Life skills. Do not eat uncovered food sold on the roadside. It can make you fall sick. Factopedia. Salt and sugar are natural preservatives. Digestion of food. The food that you eat cannot be used directly by your body to give you energy. It has to be broken down into smaller, simpler pieces. This process of breaking down of food inside your body is called digestion. The food is digested by the digestive system of your body. Digestion takes place in a number of steps as explained below. Digestion starts in the mouth. The teeth in your mouth break the food into smaller pieces. Your saliva makes the food soft and moist. The saliva contains an enzyme which converts starchy food into simple sugars. The tongue helps to mix the food, taste it, and push it down the food pipe. From the food pipe, the food goes into the stomach. Digestion of proteins in the stomach. Your stomach is like a muscular bag that contracts often to squeeze the food and mix it with the juices made in the stomach. The proteins in the food are digested in your stomach. Digestion is completed in the small intestine. From the stomach, the food goes into the small intestine. Some juices are made in the small intestine. Your liver makes a digestive juice called bile. It is secreted into the small intestine. It mixes with the food and digests fats. The digestion of food is completed in the small intestine. The digested foods are absorbed by the blood in the small intestine. The blood carries the digested food to different parts of the body. Undigested food passes to the large intestine. The undigested food is passed into the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed from the undigested food. Solid waste is thrown out through the anus. The solid waste is thrown out of the body through an opening called anus. Factopedia. The journey of food through the digestive system is about 9 meters long. Healthy eating habits. Eat a balanced diet. Have plenty of water. Eat your meals at fixed times. Chew your food properly before swallowing it. This will make the process of digestion easier. Do not play immediately after eating. Rest a while as your stomach requires oxygen to digest the food. If you start playing immediately, the other parts of your body will take away oxygen. Include a lot of fiber in your daily diet. It will help eliminate waste from your body. Always wash your hands before and after eating your meals. New words. Nutrients. Useful substances present in the food. Balanced diet, a diet that contains all the nutrients, water, and roughage in the right proportion. Roughage, the fiber present in the food. Food preservation, preventing food from getting spoiled. Digestion, the process of breaking down food into simpler, soluble form in which the body can use it. A quick recall, the food we eat contains useful substances called nutrients. We require food to get energy, grow, and stay healthy. Nutrients are of five kinds: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Water and roughage are also important for the body. Some foods can be eaten raw while some need to be cooked. Food can be preserved in different ways to prevent it from getting spoiled by germs. Dehydration, boiling, freezing, canning, sweetening, and salting are some methods of food preservation. The food we eat is digested in the digestive system so that it can be used by the body. The undigested food goes to the large intestine and passes out as solid waste through the anus.